Aloha! I say that because it says it on the box. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Welcome to another Glossybox unboxing. So last month, actually wasn't that long ago to be honest, what are we on? We're on the 9th, and I think it was like the 29th I got the last box. What Glossybox did not tell me was that when you order it after they've sold out of their box, they give you sort of like a thrown together box, which is kind of annoying considering you pay the same amount of money. If you want to see that video, I'll link it up here for you. But I mean, I was really quite disappointed with it. I mean, there was a couple of things that I did like and that I have used, but it just seemed a bit, and I was annoyed, okay? I was annoyed. So if you order later on in the month, just be prepared to get a thrown together box. I wish they would just put you on to the next month, to be perfectly honest. But anyway, the next month you will get the proper box. So this is this month's box. This is July. It says Aloha on the front, and it's usually pink, the usual box, and this is this month's box. Sorry to blind you. So this month box is obviously quite pretty, might keep that. This month we have a card. I nearly whacked myself in the face with it. So this was missing from the last one, and that's why I was like, and then some kind lovely lady told me that, yeah, they do that. Kind of annoying, but thank you for letting me know. Okay, so we have a card that tells us the RRP, so I don't have to go hunting for it, and what stuff is and what it does. Because last time I was holding up something, putting it on the back of my hand, trying to figure out what it was, and I realised it was something that dries nail polish. Okay, so I have sneaked in here already because I wanted to make sure that everything was okay in it. And you may have used one of the products. Where is it? Okay, so I'm gonna start with that one, and it's this one, and I'm pretty sure it's full size. Okay, they're all full size. Nice. Okay, so this is the Nail Bay Natural and Organic Orange Juice Hand Cream, and the reason that I have used this is because I saw that and immediately had to put it on my hands. It's beautiful. It really, really is beautiful. It smells lovely. It has like a little wooden screw top on it, which is kind of weird, but the RRP for this is £11.50, which is pretty decent. You get 100 mils in it. This will get so much use right now. I mean, they knew they weren't going to go wrong putting a hand cream in a box right now. We are all like so dry because of the hand sanitizer. You just can't go wrong. Make it a hand cream, make it smell nice. That you're winning. You can't fail. There's no better way to hydrate your skin this summer than with a luscious hand cream. Smells of freshly squeezed orange juice, blended shea butter, chamomile, aloe vera, orange water. This intensely moisturising formula infuses your skin with revitalising nutrients and vitamins that will leave it feeling soft, regenerated. Massage into your hands and nails throughout the day when required. So when we are in this time and we're all using copious amounts of hand sanitizer and washing our hands loads, a good hand cream is a must. I am a beauty therapist, esthetician, whatever you want to call me. I would recommend everybody should be using a hand cream just now, because apart from anything else, you are drying out your nails, you're drying out your hands. You cannot go to your nail tech just now, and when you go back to her, she's going to be shocked at the state of your hands and nails and cuticles. So be using a hand cream when you're drying it out with alcohol every 30 seconds, it feels like. I really like that, and I will use that. Okay, next we have Glow Drops. This is Glow Drop Primer. It's Jeka Blank. Never heard of it before. Vegan friendly, cruelty free. I think they are like, I don't know if it's like highlight or if it's like, you know, like glittery high. Oh, chase. Oh. Oh, that's like bronzy highlight. I don't know if, can you see it? Is it the camera picking it up? It's like there's nothing there. Honestly, it's like skin tone. Do you know what? Maybe. It's like skin tone. Well, I mean, some people's skin tone. But it has like a wet sheen, like it's really wet. This is on top of like my other highlight. Do you know, a little bit in our chin. Good for people with texture, I think, because it's like glowy. It's not shimmery or sparkly. I love these types of things. Okay, okay, I approve. I'm quite looking forward. It's called Rose Pearl. Wherever your summer adventures take you, flaunt a gorgeous dewy radiance thanks to these multitasking glow drops. Suppose you could put it on like your collarbones and that as well. Glowing base for makeup application. Okay, so it's technically a primer. Ailey, read. It's technically a primer. I'm gonna try it as a primer. Apply all over your face using your fingertips before makeup. So it's, you know how lots of people were using these liquid drop highlighters as a base. I think I've done it once before. It did not end well. And then putting on your foundation afterwards or mixing it in with your foundation, that's more what this is for. But like I say, you can tap it on and it makes a really nice highlight as well. So it's very multitasking. It hydrates your skin as well. Simply spread the primer all over and you get like a dewy. I suppose if you were to wear like a matte foundation, it would give you sort of a more dewy foundation if you either mixed it in or you put it on beforehand. But this is £16 and I'll put where you can get these and the prices and everything down below for you. So that's another one. I like that. 2 so far. Well done, Glossybox. Okay, third is a Aloha Bronzer. This is Give Them Lala Beauty and it is a Aloha Bronzer, and I take it, you know, from my genius skills, that is what the whole box is sort of themed around. Gotta be bright to keep up with me. So this is a little bronzer. I actually like going, like the outer packaging is really, really nice. I wish that they had like done that on there. I hate it when people make nice boxes and then it's plain. I mean, I'm not mad at it, you know, it's more the product that we're interested in, but you know. So this is the product here. Oh, it's very, very orange. Oh, jeez. Right. I'm just going to bronze up the back of my hand with it because I have lots of makeup on my face already. It's really flipping orange. Like, wow. Do you know, I think it would make a really, really good blush shade. So it says, even if you can't make it to the sandy beach this summer, you can still show off a natural looking sun-kissed tan. Thanks to this bronzer, boasting a long wearing and highly pigmented formula, it glides on effortlessly onto your skin and give you that bronze goddess look. Use a large fluffy brush to apply it along your hairline, down your cheekbones and across your jaw. This is £19.80. I would not pay £19 for this, I'm sorry. I don't know, I'm going to have to look into the brand a little bit more, but no, I can't do it, I can't do it. I mean, it's really, really orange. It, I think, would make a stunning blush shade, which is what I'm going to use it for. But that ain't no bronzer. Look at it. Maybe back in the 90s, it would have made a good bronzer, but not right now. Blusher, I think it's going to be lovely for though, so yeah. We have 2 products left. I'm going to show this one first. This is a sheet mask. This is the beauty, no, it's Cocoa Star. Cocoa Star, K-O-C-O Star. Slice mask sheet watermelon. I wonder, what's these? I like these. I've seen other people use these. I've seen people use them in TikTok videos. I might make a TikTok video and use them too. Okay, so say hello, it's a fruit slice mask sheet. Say hello to your fresh, healthy summer skin thanks to these Korean face masks. Koreans seem to make the coolest face masks, the coolest skincare. I think that it's just, it's cute. Like little pandas and stuff, it's so cool. Little slices of watermelon. So thanks to these Korean face masks, infused with either natural strawberry or watermelon extract. So I got the watermelon ones. Obviously they did give you either the strawberry ones or the watermelon ones. I wonder if it smells like it. Anyway, they provide your complexion with an intense burst of moisture and hydration. That's always good and helps to protect your skin barrier and feels so refreshing. Apply yours to clean, dry skin for 15 to 20 minutes, then peel off and massage the excess serum into your skin. They're £4 RRP. That's pretty good for that. I take it, it's like, I don't know if you can see the 6. So I don't know if like that'll be 1, that'll be 2, that'll be 3, that'll be 4, that'll be 5, that'll be 6. Because I don't know if you can see, but there's like multiple ones underneath these. So that's not just like a single little circle. It's like multiple little circles, and I think you just stick them all over your face and you can target specific areas. So I think it may be 6 applications, which for £4 is pretty bloody good. The last product we have is the Beauty Core Pam Bam. Pam Bam. That's really hard to say. This is Mauve Wave. Let's read it first. Achieve a holiday-worthy tropical glow with this multi-purpose balm. Formulated with 90% natural plant-based oils, including coconut and apricot oil, this luscious texture not only conditions and hydrates your pout, but also doubles as a creamy blush to add fresh, rosy flush to your complexion. Apply to your cheeks, lips, or eyelids. Then blend with your fingers for a natural radiant finish. Please don't put it in your eyes. RRP is £18. Woo! This is pricey. Way better than last month's. Glossybox, stop putting together makeshift, horrible, tacky boxes just to get people to buy them. If somebody hadn't told me that, I might have cancelled, and then I'd have missed out on this little beauty. So, the Beauty Core. I like the packaging. It's cute. It's just a little glass jar, and that is the product there. I do have lip product on, so I'm going to... Okay, so it's just a really light sort of, I'm going to put it here, sort of pinky balm. It's a bit pink for me. I'd probably just use it on my lips. I don't think I'd use it as a blush. I just think it's a little bit pink for me. I like peaches and like neutral colours, but that's nice. Does it smell of anything? Nope, doesn't really smell of anything, which is good. Mauve Wave. So yeah, I don't know if you could have maybe got other shades, but that is everything that's in it this month. Our birthday surprise. Next month we'll be celebrating our birthday, and we couldn't be more excited. Not only do we have an incredible box waiting for you, well, that's it. I'm going to have to get next month's box too. But you've got an even more exciting announcement. The project we've been working on for almost 2 years is finally coming your way. Watch out, because Glossybox is about to become bigger and better than ever. Please tell me they're not starting to release their own products, because that's exciting for them. It's not exciting for the rest of us. The reason that we get these boxes is so that we can try products from brands, says the person who's only on box number 2. And that's it. Exciting stuff. I'm feeling really sassy today. I wonder if it's because I'm rocking the natural hair. Yes, curling apparatus has not been anywhere near this hair. It is much more tame than it usually is. This is after years of straightening and years of chemically straightening as well. But I decided to rock it because it's actually not too frizzy today. I mean, it's frizzy down here and I've lost a lot of my curl already, but it's beachy and I kind of like it. Yeah, so that was everything. I am way more impressed by this month's box. Way more impressed. I'll put on the screen how much it's worth. Well, technically it's worth that because they were all full size. Definitely way better than last month. Well done, Glossybox. You have redeemed yourself. And yes, I will be sticking around for the birthday surprise next month. Okay, so that was it. If you enjoyed this video, obviously I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of these, definitely let me know down below, because it's something that I like watching. I like seeing what people get in these boxes, and especially when I wasn't getting them for a while, I was liking to see, because I'd be like, yeah, I'm glad I didn't get that one. Yeah, I love watching these kind of videos, and I do like making them as well. I think it's really fun to make them, but when I started getting like repeat products and things like that, it was just starting to get annoying. And yeah, obviously if you want to see what's in next month, don't forget to subscribe, turn all the notifications on, and you will see, hopefully, if YouTube decides to tell you, when that video will go up. If you want to watch some of my fitness content and see how I'm getting myself back into shape, that will be on my channel somewhere if you want to go and find it. There is a playlist with every single week since the day I started, so you can see me struggle. You can see my little belly shrinking, my thighs hopefully shrinking too, and then obviously there's all my other beauty stuff. So yeah, something for everybody. Hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!